Just bought these rock sliders off Facebook Marketplace for 120 bucks. We're gonna slap them on the truck.
Scrap metal, well, maybe 100 bucks.
Yeah, scrap metal. Put it on top. Put them on here. What deal? What? On here. Start scuffing down this rock slider with the red scuff pad. Get her scuffed down real good so the paint sticks to it nicely. The rock sliders. We're gonna clean the metal with some acetone. Just bought some at Bimart. So our floor does it get painted. You're gonna hold this. We gotta warm up the metal before we paint. We got Tolic over here. Firewood. Got the fire bumping. Oh yeah. And then we get our paint can, warm it up next to the fire. For trucks, it's rubberized, so I wouldn't slip on it. And I've used it in the past, so it's not bad. Mixing it extra good. So we got the paint mixed up. Take the cap off, let's start painting it. Where are the bits at? Watch the truck. Same thing, boom. Second jack. Jack this John up. Ready?
You want it right here?
Yeah. Like this. Oh, I'm gonna get.
Just a little bit.
Let me put this on yours. Oh, I'm kidding. On your truck so you can go wheeling. Right here. Where are the 4 bolts? The frame hole.
It's not.
So look, this one.
Where does it show you?
Let's drop the jacks. Oh yeah, boom, one of them. Let's drop the second one. Let's test it out. Oh yeah. We just got the rock sliders on the truck. And what a difference, look at that. They're both onto the frame. This truck's a unit. This side's on as well.